Here are the 5 worst things that you can say when you're pulled over for a traffic ticket. Number 1, I don't know how fast I was going. That's basically admitting that you're not going to be able to testify to counter the officer's evidence at court. It's going to bolster their case in their own mind. It's going to make them more confident in the validity of their evidence, and it's a statement that you can be cross-examined on if you then later came to court and said, oh no, I'm sure that I was only going the speed limit. Don't try and talk your way out of the traffic ticket by saying that you didn't know what you were doing wrong. Number 2, I was only driving with the flow of traffic. The flow of traffic is often not driving at the speed limit. Just because everybody else was breaking the law doesn't make it okay for you to break the law either. And 3, similar to the last one, how come you didn't pull over whatever other vehicle was on the road that was doing the same speed or faster than you? Police officers don't have to stop everybody. And in fact, in court, they'll basically go, can't catch them all, and you're not going to end up getting anywhere with that statement. All you're doing is calling into question the officer's judgment at the roadside, which is going to make them mad, which is going to make them less likely to want to give you a break. Number 4, don't ask for a break. Don't say, can I just get a warning, please, officer? They're not going to give you a warning simply because you ask for it. And again, simply asking for a warning can be construed as an admission of guilt. It's essentially saying, I'm taking responsibility. Please exercise leniency on me. It's not something that's going to get the officer to give you a warning. And in most circumstances, arguing with the officer and trying to negotiate out of the situation is actually going to make the officer less likely to help you out at the roadside. And number 5, worst thing that you can say when you're dealing with a police officer after being pulled over for a traffic ticket, I'll see you in court. Don't threaten the officer that you're going to challenge the ticket in court. It's perfectly acceptable to challenge the ticket in court, but making it sound like it's some sort of threat, like the officer doesn't want to come to court, doesn't want to back up the ticket, is only going to get them working harder to generate the evidence necessary to convict you in court. They know you're going to be coming to court to dispute the ticket, and so they're going to be taking good notes. They're going to be preserving all of the relevant evidence. They're going to make a note of the fact that you said that, and when they come to court, they're going to be even more prepared than they would be in a case where you just stayed silent, took the ticket, and said, thank you, officer, have a nice day.